Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable separate app song in your Galaxy M15. To do separation, slide up, go to settings, search for the sound and vibration. Here, slide down and search for the separate app sound. Yep, there is this option. You can click on it and you can play the media sound from apps you select on separate audio device. So you make sure to choose an audio device that's different from your main audio output device. Yep, you can enable it and select app to be playing. For example, YouTube music in my case. Select an audio device you want to use for your apps to select it. Let's choose the phone, and as you see, everything now is set up. So that's it for this option. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.